Today is Monday. Today's Monday. I have a ton to do. I have to clean this entire house from top to bottom. Jordan's outside cutting the neighbor's grass because she paid him to cut her lawn, which is a nice little gig for a 13-year-old. So he's saving up all his money to buy, I forgot what he said he was buying, but he's saving up all his money. He had to pay me. Yes, baby. Say good morning.
Good morning.
All right, so let me stop rambling and get to cleaning. We're gonna clean this bathroom in 1, 2, 3, go. Maddie, are you cleaning, boo? Yeah. So this thing I bought for the boys' beddies, because I got beddies for the twins. I forgot to show you guys. I have to put this on the beddies, but I got them beddies. I just now ordered Destiny and Jackson's beddies. So beddies. So I got them. These were expensive. Like, no, get out. These were $250 a pop. Rob was like, what do they do? I was like, it just makes it easy for them to get up and make their beds, because that's a big pet peeve of mine, is get up, you make your beds. So they're going to clean their room. I'm going to come and vacuum. And then I have to put this on Jordan's bed. Yeah. Even though Jordan don't need it. Jason, you need to tuck that under. And I keep telling you that, and you keep not doing it. You need to tuck that under there. So I just ordered Jaxson and Destiny, because I have to order in I have to order in batches, because it's so expensive that if I was to order all 5 of them, it would have ran me $1,250 for beddings. Something is seriously wrong with me. And then I think I'm gonna get one for our bed as well. But I'm doing it in segments so that Rob doesn't really see it or really notice it. And then plus the other kids are out of school, so that's tuition that we don't have to pay. Because we pay tuition 10 months instead of 12. So that money that I would have put towards tuition, I'm using it to pay for their bedding. I have to take out something for dinner. I don't know what to cook. I don't know what to cook. Oh, we haven't had meatballs in a while. I have to call these people about the refrigerator, because it's still not working, guys. Still not working. The light, not working. So I'm going to get off of here and call these people. Okay, so on the community board, they were giving away 2 of these jute rug. And I've been looking for a jute rug forever. They were giving away these bad boys for free. I have to center this table to the light. I have to center it because it's bothering me, because it's not centered. But I have to do it. But I need Rob to help me pick up the rug, because the rug is not centered to the light. And that's bothering me. And then the other one, I put it over here. I need to finish painting on this side, because this is the repose gray, and it's dry now, and I love it. Love it. Still searching for a console table. And I think this fits the space, because when you come in, you have a lot of surface area for the rug for guests to stand on and wipe their feet and all of that, yada yada. So I have to clean this whole house and put it. What do you need? What do you need? And I have to detangle Maddie's hair. You gonna show me your room?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. Wow. Little tiny steps. Let's just try this. Oh my word! Aaliyah, good job. Where's everything? Where did you put it? Didn't I ask Destiny to put your laundry away?
No.
Yeah, I need her to put your laundry away and make your bed. Good job, Madison. But you still, look, You missed that spot. Good job, Madison. I'm proud of you. Let's see where she sticked that. My coffee's done. My water for my coffee is done. I can hear it. Okay, you have trash in your hand. A hat that belongs to Jaxson.
No, Jason.
Or Jason. Okay, so what are you going to do with that? Put it down. Put it down. Okay, sort it. Get the trash. Go put the trash away.
Maddie.
I have to vacuum. I have to clean the carpet. I have to patch this little spot where I'm going to put a board and batten going down this because look at that. Just dirty. But this is a flat paint. So you can't even clean that. You can't clean it. So I'm just going to put up board and batten going down, all the way down. And then this wall is going to be gone. So that's next year. I'm not worried about it. Yeah, so I'm not worried about it. One project at a time. This house is not sucking me dry, okay? I need coffee. I really do need coffee because I feel like today's going to be a long day. And then I have to go check on Jordan. He's outside cutting the neighbor's lawn. So I got to go and check on him because we got some hateful people around here. And I don't know what they would do to my child. So I'm going to go check on him. So my coffee in my trick-or-treat mug. I don't know why I have this mug. I was supposed to sell it, but I eventually didn't sell it. So I have Halloween mugs.
I like that part. The little oranges.
We don't celebrate Halloween. Let's go find Jordan. I need my shoe. Oh, look at my my knockoff Birkenstocks. You okay? You hit your toe? Alright, it's okay. It's okay. Open this door for me, Jaxson. We're gonna go find Jordan.
Here, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am.
There you go. There you go. Hurry up, okay?
Yeah.
So yeah, I don't trust these hateful ass neighbors for 1 second. For 1 second. So I have to keep an eye on my children at all times. Because they're very hateful. One lady I know for a fact is racist. Because it was her job. It was her job to tell everybody not to play with our kids. For no reason. Never did anything to her. And she made sure she told everybody not to play with us because we're trash and we're garbage. Never had any conversation with this woman. And like idiots, they believed her. So, hey, what can you do? I'm happy that I don't get to associate with that kind of people. You know what I mean? So, I'm going to go continue cleaning because I have a ton to do. A ton. I don't even know why I'm on here vlogging. Say good morning, guys.
Morning, guys.
Good morning, sunshine.
Hi.
Say I love you guys.
Hi.
Right here. I need to figure out what I'm going to do with all these shoes because I have a lot of sandals. I don't know why I purchased so many sandals because I don't, let me turn on light for y'all. I don't have a ton of shoe storage. Like this is Rob's pull out and it comes out. It pulls out. Okay? This one right here, I didn't put one and I need to put one in. This is going to be mine. But this is Rob's system. These two boxes are Rob's. But I'm going to borrow that space underneath because right now all my shoes are there. And then this is my shoe pull out situation. Because I was like, I got rid of a ton of my shoes. And then I purchased a ton. So now I'm just like, maybe this is not a closed storage. We need to figure out where that stuff go. But this box right here, I was just going to put a pants pull out in there in a drawer. But now I'm thinking I actually need to put stuff in there for shoe. Like to pull out, you know, shoe storage. So I think I'm going to put one more thing down here of shoes for my sandals. And then probably drawer finish it off with drawers because it just looks like it's not finished. And then in here, I think I was gonna put a pants pull out right here, but now I'm thinking I'm just gonna put shoe storage because I need shoe storage. And then of course over here I'm thinking of getting rid of the desk system and then put shoe storage here because I need shoe storage. And then did I show you guys these new ones? I'm obsessed with Ray-Ban, so I got the big one the other day, and then I got the small one because I put these stuff in my purse. So this is gonna be my little purse organization situation where I keep all my knickknacks for my purses, and then of course I have this big one. I'm obsessed with Ray-Ban, okay? And then over here, I'm thinking of maybe taking the drawers out and putting shoe storage all the way. But where am I gonna put my purse? You know what I mean? So, hi Destiny. You're stupid. Where are you going? More Ray-Ban. No, don't use my Clorox. I need it. What are you doing with Clorox?
Nothing.
So, what did I do today? I got Madison transferred out of her old preschool class because the teacher, I didn't like her. And my neighbor, my sweet neighbor across the street, she was transporting Maddie to preschool. And now that her son was transferred out of the class that Maddie was, the time was just conflicting with the private school kids that I have to transport. And they start at 7:45. She starts at 7:45. Destiny, luckily, they had a 15-minute window where they're considered late at 8, and I'm just getting there at 7:58. So it just wasn't working. And then I can't put her on the bus because she's not talking. And I read somewhere one time that a bus driver took a nonverbal child and went and abused the baby. And she was missing for 4 hours. The mom don't know what happened to the baby because she can't talk. And Maddie can talk, but you can't understand 50% of it. So I'm not putting her on no bus. And it just wouldn't work. So I took her out of there. I'm gonna go clean my kitchen. So I cleaned out the truck in here. It was so black and disgusting. And I cleaned out this trunk right here. And then I realized that while I was down there cleaning, the grout on my floor, the grout in here is supposed to be this color, not that. So I'm like using some Lysol, and I'm taking a toothbrush, an old toothbrush, and I'm like scrubbing the grout to get it back to its original color. You see? Look how much cleaner that is. Look at that. So this is what I'm gonna be doing all day today, cleaning grout. So I'm gonna take my rag and just wipe it up. See? Clean, dirty. Clean, dirty. Okay, so I went to Bed Bath & Beyond and I found these pillows on clearance. $9.99, originally $25. So it's like $15 off. So I got 2 of these. They're kind of like brownish, but I'm thinking I want all the inserts that I can possibly get, like the pillow inserts. That way I can just start buying pillow covers instead of more pillows, because I have a ton of pillows. I got pillows. Okay, so Rob was calling me. So I got these 2 pillows, and I don't even know where I'm gonna put them. I need to wash these throw blankets. So the idea behind getting the pillows is just the insert, because I need inserts, like really big inserts, and I think this is a 20 by 20. I could be wrong. It doesn't say. What does it say? What size is this? Yeah, it's a 20 by 20. And that's a decent size insert for a pillow. So my thing is get a ton of those and then get pillow covering. I also got another pillow for my bed, which if you guys don't know, I have a ton of pillows, like a ton of pillows. every time I see them on clearance or I see a good buy, I get them. So this is more for like, what is it called? Valentine's Day, because it has, let me show you guys. So it says, love you most, and then it has the gingham on the back like that. So it's like more for like Christmas time, because Christmas time you can flip this over too. Cut that off and flip it over for Christmas, and this would be nice. And then for Valentine's, you flip it over and it's like that. So Robin's on his way home.
Go on the trampoline.
Yeah, you can go on the trampoline. I've been slaving away all day, so he volunteered to cook dinner for me. Which all he's gonna do is throw something on the grill and call it a day. I'm still doing laundry. Still gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with all them shoes right there. I don't know where to put that. Laundry is like almost done. I just have to clean my floor, my laundry room floor, and be done. Last load of white, and then I'm gonna do sheet, and then kitchen towels. But that's not hard. I'm tired. I've been running all day long. I'm tired. I told my husband, I said, from the moment I get out of bed until he comes home, I am running. Like, I'm always doing something, unless I have like a really bad day and it knocks me over. But there's so much to do, so little time. I told him, I was like, this is a big house. And our next house, I do not want anything bigger than what we have, which is, our house is 2,203 square feet. And I'm like, I don't want anything bigger than that, because it takes forever to clean it. There's 5 bedrooms in this house. 5. And I have to clean every single last one of them. Like, they make their bed, but I gotta go in there and dust baseboards and vacuum floors and all of that. And then the bathrooms, and then our room, and then downstairs and basement. It's too much. It's too much for one little person. But anyways, guys, this is it. I don't think anything else is gonna happen today. I'm going to go edit a video and spit that out. I think it's the weekend video. I'm going to go edit that and spit it out and get it out to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.